Papa Wang back at you. Remember I did that box over there with the 3/8. Now I didn't have a head unit, so I went and got this shit right here. And how Third World Audio do it. We go dig shit up. Look at $90. Fuck it. The one I got in there, $20. Boss. On 215s. But anyway, let's see what this motherfucker got in it. Soundstream. I really don't fuck with them. You know how when a motherfucker just need a radio. I ain't even got no cameraman. I'm the cameraman. What else in here? With brackets and shit. Yep. I done deleted my head unit, so I don't know. I might build a console for the front later. I have an idea. I stole an idea. That's the remote. A pretty big remote. Nice. I like that big remote shit. I'm working with one hand because I'm the only man in the land. Voila. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. Bruh. Abracadabra. Let me see, this the Soundstream. You ain't got a model number on the front of this motherfucker. 300 watt. This motherfucker line be a knockoff. What the box say? VR. What else? It was either this or a Nakamichi with no remote. What we got going on up under there? Jibba jabba wire. Okay. I got it upside down, man. No, I'm tripping. Now I got it upside down. Camera. Got everything. Video. Subwoofer. Wait a minute. That say subwoofer 2. Is that supposed to be subwoofer 1? Okay. Do that. But, and then we got the spaghetti wire bullshit. I still need an amplifier. I'm finna fire up. I'll get back.